Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will play Roblox in today we will play today we will play Ultra Power Tycoon in Roblox. So we can go and just steal someone weapon. Oh, I see somebody. I see. Here we go. चढ़ जा भाई चढ़ जा भाई We will try again. Let's go. Yes, we made it. Now we go and steal his weapon. Now we just exit from this. There we go. Now we go and kill someone. He is killing this person. Now I will kill you. Come here. Where are you going? Come here, bro. Come here. Come and fight me. You can't. You can't stop me, bro. I kill you both. Come here. Come here. Where are you going? I just find you. Where are you going, bro? You scared from me, huh? Oh, you also steal his weapon and trying to kill me, huh? First of all, you void. Go. Go in your home now. Godspeed comes. Hello, hello. Where are you going? Come here. We just see someone have new weapons or not. Oh, here is it. No, bro. Bro, you steal this. Oh no, 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 no. Run, run, run. Run, bro, run. Bro. I am just 1 HP, bro. Please, yes. Yes. Keep surviving. Yup. Where are you going? I will kill you. Where are you going? Come here. Oh, he is follow me. No way. No way. He's left the game. He's scared from me. Haha. Bro. Now we go from our base and see how money will get us. Now we put generator and go to steal someone weapon. Bro, this is strategy because you very pro to stealing someone weapon. No way, he's killing me. No way, bro. Bro, chill, bro. I will kill you. I also steal. You go, then I also steal. No way, he is killing me. Wait, I will come for revenge. Wait, I will come. First of all, I will collect the money and wait for dropper. Here we go. Now we can go and no. Now we can move into do our revenge. First build walls. Oh, कितना धीरे ऐसे बढ़ रहा है bro. I will उधर चल लिया पार्ट. उधर जाएंगे नहीं ब्रो. मार देंगे भाई. उधर भागो भाई. वेपन भी नहीं है मेरे पास. पहले उसके वेपन चुराते हैं. चलो ये पीछे से मार रहा है भाई. भागो. Here we go. Now come bro. I will cook you. Come here. Where are you going? I will cook you bro. Come and fight. No. I am 1 HP. HP. What the heck? What the hell is that? No way. No way. It's absolutely done. Bro, this is so unfair. Oh yeah. Now we just... Bro, please don't kill me. I have no weapon. Please don't kill me, bro. Why? Why? Please. Please leave me alone. Please. Bro, you just upgrade your wall. No, I will die again. Bro, what the hell is that? Now we build second floor. Now we go and see supply create, cause I want money. No, someone is here. No, I can't have. Oh shit. भाई भाग जाओ भाई, कोई वेपन नहीं है भाई, भागने में भलाई है. भागो 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 भाई, कुछ है नहीं अपने पास. बस अब पैसे हो गए. अब भाई अब एक काम करते हैं. अब सबसे पहले ऊपर जाते हैं और नहीं, सबसे पहले वेपन लेते हैं. हाँ, सबसे पहले वेपन लेते हैं ताकि हम लोगों की सेफ्टी रहे और अपने पास अपने खुद के वेपन रहे, किसी और के नहीं. अब बताते हैं भाई कहाँ जाओगे. कम हियर, कम हियर. यू किल मी. हाँ, यू किल मी. हाँ हाँ रेज, कम हियर. Come here, Rich, come here. I will cook you bacon. Come here. Come here. I will cook you. Come here. Come here. Where are you going? Where are you going? So guys, मैं ये सोच रहा हूँ कि पैसे कलेक्ट होने में बहुत टाइम लग रहा है, तो मैं आपसे सीधा इकट्ठा बाद ही में मिलता हूँ, क्योंकि आपके लिए 2 सेकंड है और हमारे लिए तो. सो गाइस, पैसे बहुत धीरे धीरे कलेक्ट हो रहे हैं, तो मैं एक काम गाइस, मैं पूरा बिल्ड करने के बाद ही मिलता हूँ आपसे. ठीक है गाइस, क्योंकि अभी बहुत सारा काम बाकी है, तो मैं आपसे पूरा बिल्ड करने के बाद ही मिलूँगा. पहले मैं आपको रूफ लेके दिखा दूँ, उसके बाद मैं आपसे पूरा बिल्ड करने के बाद ही मिलूँगा. कॉज क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी हो रही है, इसीलिए मैं आपसे बाद में मिलता हूँ, मतलब पूरा कंप्लीट करने के बाद मिलता हूँ. ओके गाइस, फर्स्ट वी परचेस रूफ. ओके, नाउ वी गो. सो हेयर वी गो गाइस. मैंने अब पार्ट 2 के लिए गाइस 50 लाइक्स का गोल है, तो कंप्लीट कीजिए. थैंक यू.